In 360 video, image detail is spread across the full 360 scene around the camera. When you edit that footage into a regular flat video, the final frame uses only part of the original 360 image. That's why shooting settings, reframing, and export quality all affect how clear the final video looks. Start by cleaning the lenses and shooting in a well-lit environment. In 360 video settings, choose 5.7K 30 FPS, set exposure mode to auto and white balance to auto. If the preview looks too dark or too bright, adjust EV slightly. When reframing, it's usually best not to zoom in more than you need. Adjusting the view, projection style, and camera movement can also help draw attention to your subject. For the final export, choose 4K and set bitrate megabits per second to high. This helps preserve more detail in the exported video. Use lower settings only for quick previews or temporary sharing.